Hey everyone, it's Conro here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Soundcore by Anker Life A1 True Wireless Earbuds. So, as always with my unboxing videos, why did I buy these? It's no secret that I have always, and probably will always defend, the Sony MDR XB50s for like $30, and I think I honestly got this pair for less. You can actually get decent sound quality, although the highs are a little bit sharp. These are a great pair of headphones. Now, yes, I am on my second pair. I did break my first, but that being said, it's such a great pair of headphones. So why would I be getting these? Well, the main reason is because I need wireless headphones. So I'm kind of getting into like running and stuff, and I also want wireless headphones for, you know, winter sports, also cutting grass. That would be definitely something good to have. So I decided to pick up these. They're pretty cheap for about $50 or so, and I got them on sale. They're only 8mm drivers compared to the 12mm of the Sony, but 9-hour playtime, wireless charging, decently customizable EQ, IPX7, 10-minute charge for 1.5 hours, and also mono audio if you want to. So let's open these up. If we pull it open, all right, we pulled it open upside down. Got a streak going with doing that. So if we flip it over, all right, so we got a nice instruction manual from Soundcore. Got a USB-C cable. I'm not surprised it didn't come with the plug. And then here we have what appear to be, so these are the wings. So it's like fully customizable, so you can look for the best fit you can get. And then in here we have what look to be the earbuds, and it's a little bit heavy of a carrying case, but it's not bad. The build quality, these aren't bad. I mean, it's kind of hard to see on camera. They're all plastic for sure. The real test for any headphone, and I was a bit worried about with these, is will they fit in my ear? They're not super comfortable. They definitely fit. Like, they fit. I mean, I'll probably customize the wingtips a little bit. There's definitely not as much isolation. Like, the Sonys have so much more isolation. Like, it's not even close. These ear tips are definitely not as comfortable. That is a little unfortunate, I would say. I was definitely hoping there'd be some more comfortable ear tips, and the wing is a little big. The build quality, I'd say, is passable. So the first thing that I immediately noticed about the Soundcore Life A1s is that, honestly, I couldn't get a great seal. Now, compared to earpods, which I'll also be comparing them to here, the seal is fine. I mean, earpods don't seal well, but something like the Sonys, these are some of the most comfortable headphones I've ever had. Earpod seal is terrible. Earpods do sound better, but considering they come with the iPhone, the punch they pack is definitely better than the Sonys. The highs on earpods are not as sharp, which I said that when I got the Sonys, and that was originally like, oh, I don't like these headphones. But the thing with the Sonys is the comfort is totally there. Definitely the bass is here though. It definitely has a fair bit of bass. Oh my god, the seal. Oh, it's so good. They're definitely quieter. I don't notice much of a difference. I feel like these have more bass. I need a 1-to-1. Like, that's hard to decipher, but these sound really good. A lot of times when I'm listening to music, I'm in the car or on like transit or something. The bass in these headphones, it's unbelievable. For $40, the bass in these is just so good. I think they're $30. I don't even think they're $40. It really packs a punch at that price point. You're not gonna find much better bass, I feel like. If you love bass heavy music, this is a really good pair of headphones because it's not super expensive, but it still packs a really good punch. I think that the Sonys still definitely hold up. I definitely recommend these. The highs might be a little bit sharp. I immediately noticed, so I have a better seal than the earpods. But that being said, the seal on these is not good. It's not as isolating. The Sony's cut, like, for passive noise cancellation, that's really good. I find I can still hear myself a lot more when I'm talking with the Soundcores in. Okay, so take everything I'm about to say with a grain of salt here. Bear in mind, I listen to my music at a very low volume level, so you can't really take everything I'm saying as totally fact here. And also, with these headphones, for me, it comes down to personal preference. One of the biggest lacking areas is sound quality. So the highs are honestly more muddy than the Sonys. Like I said, the Sonys highs were sharp, but the problem with the Soundcores is that the highs are too muddy and the bass does not have as much clarity as the Sonys as well. Now, they're better because they're wireless. That's one thing. That's basically the biggest pro. And as I'm mainly using them for exercise, they do fit. That being said, they're a bit uncomfortable. I'm still gonna use them, obviously. And I think they're really good as wireless headphones, but it all comes down to personal preference. I think the Sonys with the 12mm drivers, there's a lot more clarity to the sound. I think they sound a lot better. They're a lot more comfortable. For me, it's easier for me to wear the Sonys during long music listening sessions or YouTube than it is for me to wear the Soundcores. The Soundcores were getting a bit uncomfortable. Mind you, I probably just have to get used to it and tune the fit a bit, but the ear tips that are included, I couldn't find to be the right size, not like the Sonys are. As my final verdict here, I don't know. They're okay. I just think that the other ones, like, they definitely feel much different than the Sonys. There's not as much cohesion there. I think the Sonys are definitely better. That being said, if you're in the market for wireless headphones, these aren't aren't terrible, and they're $50. Like, you gotta keep your expectations pretty low, but I think the Sonys just have phenomenal sound at that price point. Like, if you need wireless headphones, these are a good get. If Sony did make wireless versions of these, 100% I would pick them up. Another thing of note, I did notice minimal lag when watching video, which is actually something that's great to see for some wireless earbuds. These aren't bad, and I think that's a really good way to put it, especially at the price point.
So it's been about a month since I got the A1s, and I can actually give a better final verdict on them now. I'm going to keep it brief, but honestly, these headphones have been really good. So I've just been using them with the medium-sized ear wings and ear tips. To be honest, while I found it a little bit painful at first, and it still gets a little bit uncomfortable after long listening sessions, it's fine for the most part. And especially for me, I find that the convenience of just being able to pop the headphones in without having to deal with the wire is actually pretty good. Still kept the Sonys on me. I use them like with my laptop and stuff, and the Sonys are still really good. For a wireless option and only for a little bit more, these are actually pretty good, especially for the main use I got them for running. They've been doing really well. That's really all I gotta say about them. I hope you like this little bit quicker style video for this unboxing here. So that's kind of this video. If you all did enjoy, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. That's kind of this video. So you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.